Welcome. I am Eric with Mother.com, and in this quick video we're going to be taking a look at Shiba Inu and recording this November 29th. So by the time you watch this, you're going to have the luxury of having seen what happens after this video from an educational standpoint. So let's go to the daily chart here. We can see for the day it is up about 9%, and it is slightly off the highs, which is the point of this video. Again, it's going to be a quick video of the highs there. So 10% for the day. I want to take a look at the 4-hourly from a swing trade perspective to understand why it's come off the highs and an area for potential resistance, which is right here on the RSI. Now keep in mind, this area of the RSI happens to be around that, just around or slightly above that 61.8. Again, this is the 4-hourly. In this 4-hourly chart, I am using the RSI setting of 14. All right, so let's go and go out, take a look at more data on this 4-hourly chart. Now, there is a reversal area here. Took place sometime, let's call it the 21st or the 20th of November 2021, which is this RSI reversal. Now, if we figure out where that reversal comes from the standpoint of the RSI, we can see that it is the line I had drawn previously on a recent video discussing this same instrument. We came off the highs there. Now we extend this area in a method I call the Uniformity Concept, and we can see that the market seems to be aware that this is a decision-making area. Hence, the prices have stalled for a little bit. Now, if you are looking to play this for a move higher, then the RSI is going to have to show you visual evidence from a swing trade perspective by moving above this range. In other words, we need to clear this RSI line. Otherwise, this line could again turn into resistance, just as it did here, where there was a rejection and prices did eventually drift lower. And so let's say you're looking for a short opportunity in the cryptos or in this particular crypto, then once you see visual evidence that it is coiling and showing respect of this line, then that is when one can take a bearish position, anticipating that the next meaningful swing trade is for lower prices. So again, in summary, from a swing trade perspective, this is the line I would be watching either for movement higher if the RSI can clear this range. That will be the direction of the next meaningful swing trade, or as we are seeing early signs that this is potentially where we see short-term stalling and prices could lean down for a swing trade opportunity to the downside. Now, usually a good area to go long or short is going to coincide with other instruments. For example, if you take a quick look at where BTC is trading at 58,263, take a look at Ethereum, which is trading at 4449. And now consider the total crypto market chart. This is the total market cap for the cryptos as furnished by tradingview.com. Again, this is the 4-hourly chart. 4-hourly, and we are using RSI 14 on this chart. Now, what lines up with the Shiba 4-hourly chart is this area here, where we saw the market drift aggressively down in the short term for the entire crypto landscape, which is this area here, which, by the way, coincides nicely with this previous recent breakpoint. And the breakpoint comes from this break here, which coincides with the movement coming off the current all-time highs for BTC and Ethereum, which is here. And notice how we were rejected exactly on the line. I discussed that when that happened, which is this area. And now we are in this general vicinity for decision making. If the cryptos are to move higher around this area, they would have to clear the red line. Now there's also another line. To understand where that line comes from, you'd have to go back to the 4-hourly lows here. And these 4-hourly lows are sometime in around September 21st of 2001. Now, so we can extend that line, and this line has been useful for gauging the total crypto market, especially in the short term, as we can see recently, rejection here, which is this movement here. We come close here, which is this rejection area, and again coinciding with that red line, rejection here. And now we can see that it is where the RSI is trading. So if I zoom back in and just follow the black line, so let's do that together. You can see that these two lines, the black and the red, are where the cryptos are coming as of today, and they need to make a decision as to whether they have enough strength to clear this area. And if they can do so, then we can anticipate prices to move higher. And we also can understand that resistance around here points this down, and in the short term, the next meaningful direction is going to be down for the cryptos. And that's how, from an educational standpoint, you can determine short-term trend direction using only the RSI. And of course, you can always blend this with other technical aspects or other fundamental aspects as you wish. That's it for this video. See you in the next video, and I leave you in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. Go forth therefore, rejoicing in the power and in the peace of the one creator. Adonai. I am Eric with Mwathir.com, and I leave you, beloveds, in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. Go forth, therefore, rejoicing in the power and in the peace of the one creator. Adonai.